When delivering logo files to clients, it's not just about sending a few files. A professional logo delivery should be structured and easy for your client to actually use. In this video, I'll break down what exactly to include in your folder when delivering logo files to your clients. A logo delivery folder, also known as a logo package, is the complete set of logo files, formats, and variations to send to your clients at the end of a project. Here are the 6 important elements to include. Vector logo files. These are the logo files in formats such as AI, SVG, EPS, and PDF. Vector files are used for print and future edits. Always include both color modes such as RGB versions for digital and CMYK versions for print. Raster logo files. These are used for everyday digital use. Formats include PNG and JPG. PNG is a primary format because it supports transparency. JPG is used for previews, simple placements, and smaller file sizes. Raster files are typically the ones your clients will use most often. Logo size variations. Due to raster files being pixel-based, they must be exported in multiple sizes. A single size won't work across all use cases. The 4 standard sizes are 16 pixels for favicons, 512 pixels for small digital use, 1024 pixels for general use, and 2048 pixels for high-resolution screens. This ensures your logo works across all platforms without quality issues. Logo lockup variations. All brands need more than a single logo layout. They need different logo variations for different contexts. The minimum lockup requirements for a brand are usually a full logo, logo mark, and logo type. This gives your client flexibility across different layouts. An organized logo folder structure. The structure of your folder is just as important as the files. Your files should be organized by variation, web or print, color variant, and logo file formats. This allows your client to find the right file instantly without confusion. Clear naming and folder structure makes a huge difference. Logo file guide. This explains where each file format is, what they do, and when to use them. Without this, clients can potentially use the wrong files. A simple 1 to 2 page guide is enough to avoid confusion. If you want to deliver your logo files in a clean and professional way, I've created a free logo file structure folder. It includes a ready-to-use folder system for organizing logo files, a blueprint overview for the folder structure, and simple guidelines explaining each file format. Everything is designed to be handed directly to your client so they can easily understand and use the files. The link is in the description.